Using a foam roller is a great way to loosen up the upper back, but we want to make sure we're doing it correctly, so I'm going to walk you through it. What you're going to want to do is put the foam roller on the floor, have a seat right in front of it, and then you're going to put your upper back about kind of bottom of the rib cage or up on the foam roller. Have your feet flat on the floor, keep your butt on the floor, put your hands behind your head, and you're simply going to arch back over the roller. What I want you to think about though is taking the back of your head and pushing that through your hands towards the floor. We don't want the crown of the head to go towards the floor because then you're going to end up overextending your neck. So interlock your fingers behind your head, push the back of your head towards the floor. You're going to get a nice elongation of your neck and extension through the upper back. You can focus on one area for about 5 to 10 seconds and then roll up to another area, making sure you cover the entire upper back. Hope that was helpful.